Heidi ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. Sorry I'm a little bit sweaty and disgusting right now. I'm out cleaning up my shop, even though if you see in the background it doesn't really look like it. But something occurred to me when I was doing sweeping and shop vacuuming my floor, and I thought I'd share it with you. It's a new idea. We'll see how it works, but I think it's a good one. One thing that's nice to have in a shop is floor mats that kind of soften the load on your feet. This is one of those nice kind of professional ones that actually somebody gave me as a present once, but it's the only one I have, and these are a couple of foam ones, a cheap set from Harbor Freight, which is better than nothing. They're actually okay. But something that I actually have a little bit of access to is some old throw rugs. And I guess when you've got throw rugs in your house that you throw out, you might use them for pads, mats for your shop to take the load off your feet. But I actually had them with the shag out, and it was full of sawdust and stuff, and I'm shaking it and getting it all over me. And I thought, hey, wait a minute. Why don't I put the shag inside? I folded them in half so that they give more cushion, and they'll probably vacuum up or just shake up or sweep off a lot easier since it's just the backing. These I got from my wife does children's church at our church, and they have throw rugs, and they, after they spill, and well, you can see right there, after you've had juice spilled on them 947 times, and there's enough bacteria growing in them to rival what's in a Chinese biological warfare laboratory. They got to get rid of them. So I brought them in here in my shop because them being a mess, it'll match everything else in here. Anyway, using these mats and actually not having the shag carpet on the outside, or whether it's shag or whether it's indoor-outdoor or whatever, that carpet nap seems to hold on to a lot of stuff. We'll see if just having the backing outside works better. Anyway, I hope that's a good shop tip for you. And remember, do what you can with what you have, where you are. God bless you all. See you next time.